Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to work on removing the adversity, the wanting to fight back, the need to be right. We're going to allow ourselves to come into a place of understanding that we are here to see the God, the light, the joy, the differences in each one of us. Neither one of us has to be right or wrong. We need to move aside and allow others to just be. Okay, so get yourself into the correct posture. We want to be sitting with a nice erect spine on our sitting bones. So we've moved our glute cheeks out of the way, and we're going to clench our anal muscle slightly and pull up our diaphragm, navel point to the spine, open the chest, roll the shoulder blades back and down. And our first Kriya is going to involve bringing our hands up to about 8 inches away from our face. We're going to fold down the pinky finger and the fourth finger. So this is the Mercury finger and the Jupiter finger, okay? And so basically these two fingers, when we control them, we have a lot of control over our metabolism, over the hypothalamus gland. And so then we're going to take these 3 fingers and we're going to squeeze them together. We're going to close our eyes, gaze at the third eye. We are going to breathe naturally, and we're going to open our hands up and close, up and close. Go at any rhythm that feels right for you. Close your eyes, gaze at the third eye, breathing naturally in and out through the nose. Keep working through it. Allow yourself to maintain that proper posture. So a real strong core foundation. Nice pull in on the navel point. That allows you to maintain a straight spine with an open heart. You're relaxing your shoulders down. You're relaxing your throat. Gazing at that third eye. We're releasing memories from the womb. We're also releasing times throughout our childhood when we kind of had misinformation. We're misguided in a way that we really had no idea that we were. So we create these things called blackouts almost, where we aren't able to resolve that time and space, so we bring it with us into our adult lives. And so mostly we are trying to defend ourselves in our adult lives, or we're trying to find ourselves as being right or superior or inferior or somehow not equal to others in the world. And that's where we've gone wrong. We have misunderstood. We are realizing that fighting with each other is not the answer, because we're all being projected through the same light of love. So therefore, we are just failing to remember this and to see the love in everybody. That is the goal. because it's the only way we're going to get to joy, peace, and happiness. Let others be different. Let others have their opinion. Let others work through their own disabilities, their own misunderstandings and misconceptions. The best thing you can do is just allow others to be who they are and to get out of the way and be you. Be you, shine bright. Be happy, choose to rise like the lotus flower above the swamp. Every day, get up and rise above. Good. Now, relax the hands down. Take a nice deep inhale. Suspend the breath and squeeze the mole band lock. Squeeze that root lock. That means you're squeezing your anal point up, your diaphragm up, your navel point to the spine, all the way up the spinal cord, and out the top of your head. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to bring our hands back up again. This time we're going to close our eyes and we're going to breathe in and out through our mouths. We're going to make an O shape with our mouths. Remember, have that strong core lock. And so here we go. Closing your eyes, gazing at the third eye, and breathing in and out through the nose while we move the hands, the fingers in and out. Oh, did I say breathing in and out through the nose? I meant breathing in and out through the mouth. Good. Bring your hands down. Inhale through the nose. Suspend and squeeze. Squeeze up through the Kundalini, all the way up through the crown of the head. And relax. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bringing our hands back up again. That same Kriya posture or same mudra. We're going to do the same thing with our fingers. We're going to do dog breath. So we're going to stick our tongues out and breathe like breath of fire. So we're breathing from our diaphragm. We're pulling the navel point in on the exhale. So the navel point and the muscles, the abdominal muscles, are doing the work, but you're not forcing. And we're going to remember to keep the inhale and the exhale is the same length. When we inhale, we're just allowing the breath to come in naturally. Let's go. Inhale and exhale, release the hands down. Let's raise our hands back up again, and we're going to have the same mudra, and we're going to cluck this time. So we're going to cluck with our tongues, same action with the fingers, closing our eyes, gazing at the third eye. You're breathing in and out naturally through the nose. And inhale and exhale. Bring your hands interlaced and let your left thumb rest on your right, and bring your hands over your navel point. Close your eyes, meditate. Relaxing the shoulders down, maintaining that strong root lock. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Suspend the breath out. Squeeze the root lock. Inhale and relax. And open your eyes. So I hope that helped, and I hope that we're able to move into more of a place of feeling absolutely equal with all, here, enjoying life, rising above the drama, and choosing joy, choosing love. Please share with your friends and family. I recommend practicing this Kriya every day until we meet again next week. Bye for now.